We got 2 Jollibees, both are equidistant from one another, or from our location right here. And I guess we're gonna triangulate our trajectory towards the one in North York. There's no real plan here other than going to Jollibee and straight up eating Jollibee. Like as if I was like a young, handsome, smooth booty Filipino boy. Anyways, you know that Filipino, he knows how to break dance. He dresses well. Today, that's me. We're going to Jollibee and I'm gonna get like, what is it? They got ketchup with spaghetti if I remember correctly.
They have balut there?
There's no balut. You should be able to like upgrade your fries for a balut.
That's actually a great marketing ploy.
Bring balut into the fast food game. Fast food balut
It's really
is
like
a nightmare. Kentucky Fried Balut. Okay, I'm so excited to eat so much Jollibee that I get sick from it.
This is Jollibee, the Jollibee mascot rocking a blazer and a chef's hat. Modeled after Mickey Mouse in 1980, the mascot was designed to epitomize Filipino optimism and Filipino smooth bootiness. All the Jollibees were so bumping when they came to Toronto that outside they just got like the VIP line set up over here. You gotta get guest list. This boy's the bouncer over here. We spent $50 at Jollibee, which turns out you can try everything on the menu pretty much for $50. $50 at Jollibee basically can feed 4 families, and as you'll hear in the background of this video, there are like 100 families here chowing down on some fast food Filipino spaghetti, boy. We got a big yum burger, spicy chicken, palabok. We getting cultured out here, boy. I don't even know what that is. A burger steak, and definitely we got that Jollibee spaghetti. Don't forget some sides, cause I'm all about side chicks and side dishes. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. I'm loyal to the main dish. But if the main dish wants some butter corn on the side, you know young TV Jew Dick will deliver on that. I honestly don't even know what I'm saying anymore.
burger.
Look at that white boy. You should have came in here and got the yum burger. I don't even know what to think right now. The cheese is looking so different.
It's even the bun. Like the bun?
I'm gonna start with this.
Alright, go for it. Yeah?
It's like a chicken, like a chicken sauce. You know, it's not mayo quite. Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how the Jollibee Filipino honey nutted on my money sniffing Jew knows. Well, I know what I want, and like a squirrel, I'm gonna get my nut. My emotions are on -10, homie. I really don't give a fuck. No, just kidding. Truth is, I guess I eat like an idiot, and so I have mayo on my nose.
No, Mike.
I've never had that happen in my life.
It's like in your...
On my lip?
Yeah, it's like on the top of your nose.
Bro, this is fire. That patty's different. See that?
It's a double patty right there.
That's just a different patty. How much in Diet Coke? That's Diet Coke?
Diet Pepsi.
Oh. I was about to lose my mind. I was like, bro, the Coke's different here. We got these fries. You dip it in this gravy. It's like someone had a little bit of Swiss chalet.
It's like very liquid.
It's like St. Hubert gravy
a lot of
and like
there.
KFC gravy mixed. What do you think about this? What do you think about that? It's good though. Okay, let me get this and grab some sauce. I got a shrimp. Let's get an egg boy. So we got everything here. I'm actually scared of that bite. I know exactly what that is. Someone made ramen yesterday. And they left the noodles in the water a long time.
What are the other meats there?
I don't know. It's not for me either. There's just like a couple spices in there that like aren't spices that ever go into my mouth. I don't know, man. The noodles are too soft. I like my noodles like a little al dente. I think I just pulled out a piece of yum burger. I'm kind of getting better as I go along. I'm not being stupid, but I think this might be a good move. I just think for all you people that really go to Jollibee, let me know in the comments if I did a good move here or if I'm a idiot. That's better.
But I feel like you put gravy on almost anything and it's better.
You're right. This is just like making food at home, bro.
Yeah, it actually is like you order like a Hungry Man's or whatever. You know, like a...
Yeah, it's Hungry Man.
That is a TV dinner.
You got a TV dinner here.
Oh my god.
Bro, don't you dare not put rice on that bite.
Of course. You gotta soak up some of the sauce with that.
Yo, that's gonna be big. Look at this. Whoa, big white guy at Jollibee. Yeah. Whoa. It's cold?
Yeah, it's like warm.
Did we wait too long?
I feel like we're waiting too long, but also like.
What do you mean, bro? We've been here for like 4 minutes.
I mean,
A&W gets cold fast too.
not bad. It's just like gravy burger, mushroom, rice. They're exactly what you expected to taste.
Yeah, but the other one was spaghetti and it was nothing like what you'd expect spaghetti to be like.
Because it had like a sweetness to it, right?
Yeah. Oh, he's going back though. He's talking shit about the beef, but he's dipping in 3 times now. You're not mad.
Spaghetti's and then that.
Yeah. I'm sorry I didn't leave the Yum Burger in a specific place for you. I should have let you take the first bite, but you would have got squirted with the mayonnaise like I did.
I want to make sure I get all these mushrooms.
That's hype.
But it's just exactly, it's just like gravy burger, mushroom, rice.
Let's see how hype that is. 1 second. Let me consult this. This with the rice is $6.
That's what, 6?
$6. You know what? I'll be honest. This makes me a little mad. That thing made me a little mad.
Too many mysteries going on that one.
You're trying to be too many things. That's called halibok.
Halibok?
See some of these side guys. I love corn, man. This is butter corn right here. Because I put my fork in it already.
That's right.
Tastes like movie theater popcorn.
Could be worse. That's very buttery too.
That's really good.
Very butter.
But you know what? It's not too soft. And not too hard.
That's what she says.
Bro, that is spicy.
Oh, you're, yeah.
Yeah.
It catches you, right? Like that? Right there?
Makes sense why they have the flag on it. But be careful. For Jollibee, I come back here, here's what I do. I get a double Yum Burger, spaghetti. That's it. Chicken's great. Spicy's too spicy for me to enjoy myself. I can't believe how destroyed my mouth is. Every seasoning on it is just pure spice. It's delicious though. The Yum Burger's good. Oh yeah, the spaghetti's the guy. You go to Wendy's? That stays hot for a long time. 5 Guys, the way they package it, this, kind of like A&W. Everything's cold now. I know it's fast food, but like, things get cold faster. Like this spaghetti's cold. If I'm somewhere, it's lunchtime, I'm in a new area, there's a Jollibee and a Burger King, it's toss up. Not 100% going to Burger King. Might roll through Jollibee. Get a spaghetti. Double Yum Burger. I don't know. Might even walk away with some butter corn. I don't know, bro. I don't know. That's the thing. No one knows. Jollibee knows.
Like you welcome new entrants into the fast food game. You know, like it's a different option. Like the fact that they have spaghetti.
This is a different
You know, it's
option.
different. It's just like, because like usually it's like toss up, like it's usually burger.
This isn't even trying to be a different option. That's what you're supposed to know. You don't like it? Good. It's not for you, bro. We got bare heads up in here. All about it. I don't even care if you like it or not. Bare Filipinos up in here right now. This place is good. They don't need you. They don't need your pink ass. But you know what? This pink ass right here, they got a customer in me. It's my second time having Jollibee. And even though I forgot what everything tasted like, I remember I don't really like that.
Should be noted, you haven't been back since we came here last time, but it is out of the way.
It wasn't even that far. It's definitely far to have a weird spaghetti.